Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Zori Mori here. Today I'm gonna do a unboxing video. I've never done one of these before, but I thought why not. I was shopping at Sezane.com last week. They just released their new line of eco-friendly denim and their January capsule. So I did some shopping. This is a summary. As you can see, what happened is I bought a bunch of things and then I spent a little bit more time on the website and I bought a bunch of more things. So let's do an unboxing and see how everything looks. I actually never purchased denim from them before. I'm excited to see. Okay, first thing out of the box are the Perfect Slim. Oh, it's blurry. Hello. So first thing out of the box are these Perfect Slim jeans, and I got them in the light blue color and in the denim color. So you can see, I mean the indigo color. So you can kind of see indigo is this blue, like very deep blue color, and the light denim is more of a classic color. So these jeans are also stretchy. They are made out of 93% organic cotton, but also 7% elastin, which means that they will just hug your body everywhere from top to your ankles. So for example, if you want to wear like a tall boot, these will be perfect because there won't be any scrunchiness. I really dislike when I wear a tall boot and I can feel on my calves when my jeans are like wrinkly. Oh, it drives me crazy. Anyway, so these are the jeans for that. They will hug you everywhere. And there is a little like label here that tells you all about the innovation and the changes they've made to the denim production, the commitments they have made. So you can see here, let me see if I can come closer. Basically 100% organic cotton, 0% pesticides and 0% nickel, eco-friendly washing, which I saw on the website means like half the amount of water used when washing. There's water recycling and audited workshops and ateliers. Okay, so the next item, I'm already wearing it because why not? It's a jacket. It's not more jeans, although they do have more designs, but I kind of knew what I was going for. I need a core pair for the spring, so it's either gonna be the Slim Parfait or the Brut Sexy. But here's the jacket. So if you're familiar with Sezane, you probably know this as the Will jacket, and it's a fantastic mix between, like the cut, the way I would describe it is between a denim shirt, a blazer, and a jacket. Really timeless, very chic. Love the pockets, love the little buttons. The color I got is light denim because most of the denim I got is light denim, and I envision this denim on denim action that I'm gonna wear in the spring. But they also have the indigo version of this, and also I think white and pink and camel, so a lot to choose from. Fun fact, the men line that is a sister brand of Sezane called October Editions, they have a men version of this jacket, and I got it for Henry, and he's pretty much sleeping in it. I mean, not sleeping, like living in it. Like he would not want to take it off. He's in love with it. He's telling all his friends about it. So that kind of pushed me to get the women version of it because I was a little jealous of how much he loved his jacket. And now we can twin, which is another thing I love. So the next two items are not denim. They are part of the January capsule, and they are cardigans. Let me show you. So these cardigans, I don't own anything like this. I've been seeing it online on Instagram and on Pinterest. Like Sezane had a version with like a round neck, so I saw a lot of girls wearing it and it kind of grew on me. I love that romantic look. Like I would style it with nothing underneath, just a bra, and then, you know, it's a v-neck so you can showcase a necklace that you like. But because I've never owned anything like this, I didn't know, or I wasn't sure which color to go with, so I bought both, and I'm not gonna keep both, I think. But I wanted to try them. So here we have the white one. It's a ecru color. It's slightly off-white, really pretty, very delicate, as you can see. It's called the Augustino. Oh, is it gonna focus? Oh, there you go. So this is the white Augustino. It's a little boxy, the cut. I believe the reason is because you are gonna be tucking this into your skirt or into your jeans. And this is the pink. It's called the Peach Rose. Here it is. The Peach Rose. And I can tell, like, it's pink, but it has a little bit of orange in it. So this one makes me think of spring, you know, cherry blossoms. And this one is just all season fabulousness. It'll be a hard choice. But they feel really soft and nice to the touch, and can't wait to try them. And last but not least, I got this sweater. It's a lot more pink, a lot more red pink than the peach cardigan I just showed you. It's called the Georgia, and what I wanted to try is the reversible factor. Basically, you can wear this v-neck on the front or at the back. So I thought, I don't have anything like this. I love the color. I like to try it. Here's a closer look. I mean, it's really, really cute. And who doesn't like pink for spring? It's called, did I already? I forgot. It's called the Georgia. Maybe I said it already, I don't know. Hey, I'm new to these unboxing videos, okay? The Georgia sweater. Again, it's not too short, not too long. That's one thing I really love about all of Sezane sweaters, is they always fit well on the sleeves, and the length is never weird, which with a lot of other brands, I get the sweater and I'm like, why is this too short? Why is it too long? I don't know who decides the length on the sweaters of Sezane, but you're doing great. Cool. So this is what I got, and I think now you all want to see how they fit, so let's try it. So this was my first unboxing video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. Please consider subscribing to this channel. I'm gonna link to all the items from Sezane in the description below. I'm gonna leave my Instagram handle in case you want to stop and say hi. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.